everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Ayesha Loves Makeup. Today I'm super excited. I got my Macys Beauty Box in the mail. I'm going to be unboxing that for you guys. This is the beauty box for the month of May. This is honestly, I want to say, one of my favorite subscription boxes because it's everything like beauty related that they sell inside Macys. So you're not going to get a lot of indie stuff. It's like all name brand stuff that you know. And the best thing about this box is it's only 15 Smacker Ruies. What an amazing deal. This is like one of the last of the Mohegans of the cheap beauty boxes. Allure Beauty Box went up in price. It used to be 15, not no more. Birchbox is still 15. Hopefully they don't put their prices up. But for now, this is still 15, so I'm enjoying it. So we're gonna dig in and see what we got in the box. However, if you guys want to see what I got in my box, I just want to quickly, before we get into it, just introduce myself to anyone new to my channel. My name is Ayesha. I love all things makeup related. That's why I started my channel. I was doing makeup subscription boxes before it was like even like a thing. Like I had Ipsy from like way back in the day. And I figured why not just share it with everybody else, since like I like to film like what I like to watch. Like I like watching other people's unboxings, whether it be makeup hauls, whether it be makeup subscription boxes. I don't know, I'm weird. I just like watching people unbox stuff. I kind of like live vicariously through them. And other of my subscribers say the same thing to me, that they live vicariously through my unboxings. So I'm glad I could do that for you guys. So let's see what's in the box. And anybody who wants to see what's in here, you know what you gotta do. Keep on watching. Alrighty guys, we're digging in. We're gonna dig in. I love the beautiful bag. This month is a beautiful pink bag. Pink's my favorite color. Anybody who, oh actually hold on a second, I was gonna throw the box on the floor, but we got this little card here. So this normally tells you everything that's in here. No, Macys, you guys are doing it wrong now. So they went back to the $5 off of any beauty item, but you had to spend $20. So I like it was $5 off anything, but now they're putting like a minimum, and like I don't like that. I like that it used to be $5 that you could spend. If you're spending $1, you're spending $1, whatever. But it's $5 off whatever you're buying, and now they're giving you minimums of what you have to spend. I don't like that change that they did. But I mean, nevertheless, it is what it is. I never use these coupons anyway because I get all these makeup subscription boxes. So your girl don't need anything anyway, so I never use them. But I mean, for other people who want to like build their kit in a collection and they actually want to use a coupon, I feel like they probably should have just left it with no minimum. Just $5 off your next beauty purchase, like how it used to be. Did you guys miss me? I missed you guys. I've been doing a lot of home renovations right now, so your girl is shot. Like I am so shot. I'm like delirious right now. Like, but I'm like, I gotta start filming my boxes because if I procrastinate any longer, my boxes is gonna pile up, and then by the end of the month, I'm not gonna have all my boxes done, all my May boxes filmed for May. I don't wanna go into the next month still doing my May boxes. So I'm like, Ayesha, get it together, girlfriend. Get it together. So I'm back, but I'm tired. But who would have thought girly old Ayesha is like killing it with the home decor, and I'm painting and buying this and wallpaper and furniture, and I'm so proud of myself, but I'm just tired. So thank you guys for still bearing with me. Your girl is shot, but I'm back in business, okay? So I have a little treat for you guys in my next video. I got my Mindful Souls box. It's not a makeup box, it's a crystal box. Oh my gosh, I love crystals just as much as I love makeup. So a lot of my subscribers said they would be interested in seeing that box. So if you like crystals like me, or you just want to see my beautiful face, then watch my next video, because I'm gonna film that right after this one. But anyway, let me stop blabbing and get back to the video. Alrighty, so like I said, I love this pink bag. Can you tell I love pink? Pink, rose gold, anything pink and rose gold I love. I love the pink tissue paper. It's the small things like pink that makes me excited. So like I said, they always show you like what you got in your little bag here. And then normally they tell you like the prices and everything. Yep, they have the prices and everything. But I love this because, for example, I mean, I know shade no tea, the Birchbox, but you pay $15, but it's a lot of brands that you never even heard of, and you're like, what is this? But this is all like name brand stuff. Like Macys doesn't sell like a lot of indie brands. A lot of the stuff is like, you know, stuff that they sell in Sephora and Ulta. So like you recognize everything in the box. It's like good stuff. So, yeah, I'm looking at everything and I love everything. See, this is why I stayed with my Macys box. I did cancel a couple of boxes. Like I said, like if I don't like something, I'm not gonna put it on my channel. But, I did subscribe to a lot of boxes in the past because I was trying everybody out. But like, I feel like after a year, in a whole year, you guys didn't come through at least a couple of boxes through the whole year, then I unsubscribed to you. So I unsubscribed to Laura because it was $15. They put the prices up. I wasn't happy about that. But then on top of that, like, I don't know, the stuff wasn't speaking to me. So I had to let that one go. I let my Medusa's makeup subscription go. It wasn't expensive, but it wasn't, I don't know, it wasn't calling to me. I love that it's all makeup, but it wasn't stuff that I was like ever using or like running to. Like the stuff here that I'm looking at, I would always come to all of this stuff here. So you'll see what I'm saying when I show you this stuff. Like everything here, like I love. So, ooh, yes, there's some stuff in here I want to try. All right, let me stop talking. Get back to the video. I'm just so excited to be back on camera that I just want to talk to you guys. I don't even want to film and show you the box. I missed you guys. Alrighty, back to the box. Alrighty, so the first thing I see here is from Urban Decay. This is what the box looks like. It's a face primer, long wear grip foundation. It says it preps, it smooths, and it perfects. So this is what the sample looks like. So, I always want to try their primer, so I have a lot of their primers though. I have like a pink one, it's for like oily skin, it leaves your skin really matte. I think it's called like Illuminating something. I have that primer already, and I like it. I do like it. But this is the new one, the All Nighter Primer, so I'm excited to try that out. The full size of that retails for 36 smackaroonies. The next thing I got is Elemis. Elemis is very like expensive skincare products, very high-end skincare products. Not high-end like La Mer or La Prairie, but it's up there. And this stuff is very good, very well known. So I got an overnight radiance pill. It says lactic acid pill, which everybody's big on the pills. Sometimes they burn the skin, like you could feel like that tingling feeling. But they say like don't get like alarmed from it. It's supposed to do that. But this is what she looks like. So let's see her. So this is supposed to give your skin nourishing, it says AHAs and nourishing botanical oils exfoliate the skin for bright and silky smooth finishing morning. Very interesting. So can't wait to try that. This is from the brand High. It's a peeling mask, gommage, made with cannabis, sativa, or seed oil. This is what she looks like. She is She is $46 for the full size. It says, after a busy week, your face could use a boost. Hemp seed oil and antioxidants help to brighten dullness, remove impurities, and promote healthy skin. And when you buy it, it comes in a jar like so. Hold on. It comes in a jar like so. And the Elemis thing comes in like a little, like how most serums come. Right there. Alrighty. The next thing I got is a fragrance from Marc Jacobs. That's one thing I like from this box too. They normally give you like a fragrance. And for the most part, most of the fragrances they give, I do like. I love like anything citrus, anything floral, anything girly scent I love. I do not like musky. I don't like woody. And that's fine if you like it, but I'm just saying I personally, I like the more girly scents like Prada Candy, Gucci Guilty, Coco Mademoiselle, Chanel Chance, Chanel Otandra, like all of those fruity, girly, you know? If you don't know, now you know. Alrighty, so let me smell this. It says, a bright daffodil and juicy rhubarb accords meet soft cashmere and comforting notes of almond milk, dazzling and unexpected, perfect just like you. Let's smell it. So now I always used to like when I try a fragrance, spray it on myself. And then if I didn't like it, the scent was stuck on me all day. So now I just spray it on a card. So let's see. Oh, I like it. I like it. It's different. To me, this smells like it wouldn't be a scent that I would personally buy. Actually, nah. I don't think I would buy this, but it's not bad. Like I would wear it. It does smell like kind of fruity, citrusy, but there's a scent in here that's throwing me off. I can't put my finger on it, but it's not too shabby. I like it. So when you buy the fragrance, the bottle's in the middle. That's what the bottle looks like. That fragrance retailed for $128 for the 3.3 ounce. And what I like is they also give you like the web ID number. So like if you want to order this online, you can, because it tells you like all the web IDs to everything. So that's that. So far, I'm liking everything. I told you Macys Beauty Box is like one of my favorites. Can you guys see why? Like, this stuff is like legit. Too legit to, hey. Alrighty, so the next thing I got is Sunday Riley. I have like a million Sunday Riley vitamin C brightening serums because I feel like all the subscription boxes always give Sunday Riley, which I'm not complaining because Sunday Riley is expensive. I'm gonna put this for like my giveaways just because towards some of my gifts because I have like 4 of them already. So, and I think I barely even used the first one that I got. And I got the full size. I want to say from like my Ipsy Ultimate when I used to have the Ultimate box. But it's 15% vitamin C. So that's what she looks like. And the full size of this retails for $85. Not too shabby. It says, get ready for a glow up. All skin types can rejoice in the hydrating antioxidant formula that firms, brightens, and leaves the skin feeling impossibly refreshed. They said it. The next thing I got is Bare Minerals Ageless Phyto Retinol Night Concentration. So I never used to use like retinol because obviously I don't have any wrinkles on my skin, so there's really no need for me to use it. But like a skincare specialist, when I was buying skincare, they were like, just because you don't have wrinkles doesn't mean you don't have to use retinol. Like it helps with like smoothing your skin, like firmness, like evenness in your skin. Like, so I was like, you know what, I'll try it. And the couple of stuff that I use that has retinol, like I've been liking. Like I have Glow Recipe Avocado Mask, and it has retinol in it. And when I tell you, when your girl wakes up in the morning, her skin feels like a baby's bottom, softer than ever. So that retinol, don't sleep on retinol. But anyway, my sample looks like this. It's so cute. It's in a little pump bottle. Looks like so. Very excited. Let's see what's the full price of this. The full price of this is 62 smackaroos. It says plant power is in your corner, introducing a clean, vegan, and plant-based retinol alternative that's just as effective as reducing fine lines, wrinkles, and sun damage. So like I said, retinol helps to even your skin too. But they say, and I'm warning you guys, if you use retinol, do not use it in the day. They say like the sun counteracts it and it doesn't work. So like you gotta use it at night. You're not supposed to use it in the day. It's a nighttime product. Alrighty, so for $15, I got a retinol serum, a brightening serum, a peeling mask, a primer, a fragrance, and a Radiance pill. So, anyone who's not new to my channel knows, like, I don't like makeup, skincare heavy boxes. Normally, Macys Beauty Box is not skincare heavy. This month it is. However, I gotta say, all the skincare in here is stuff that, like, I want to actually, like, try. So, like, I don't mind if it's skincare heavy, if it's, like, all, like, the in things. Like, if they're giving, like, Drunk Elephant moisturizers and, you know, high moisturizer. So, I've seen this in Macy's and Sunday Riley, Bare Minerals, Elements, like, all the good stuff that, like, nobody wants to spend their hard coin on. I'm here for it. But it's like when they're giving you, like, a box full of skincare that no one ever heard of, you don't even know if it's good. Like, you know, then I'm like, but I like this box, and I would actually give it not a 10 out of 10 because it was majority all skincare. Like, even though this is a primer and that's considered makeup, but there was no, like, real makeup item in here. So for that, I gotta give it an 8 out of 10. 8 out of 10, which is not too shabby, because I did like the box. What did you guys think about my box? Does anybody have a Macys Beauty Box? Comment down below what you guys got, and if you like this box, I loved it. Like I said, like, I mean, if you're gonna buy something like makeup wise from Macys, the box is $15. So if you do use a $5 off coupon, that means your box is only $10, which is, like, amazing. So, like I said, I don't use these coupons because, like, do I really need any more makeup? I mean, you guys seen a sneak peek of, like, my beauty room. You know, I showed you guys a little something, and your girl got a lot of stuff. She got, not to brag, but I mean, I got a lot of stuff. So, I really don't ever need anything. So, that's why I don't really have to buy. Because, I mean, how could I just got 3 face pills. Like, when am I gonna get a chance to even finish all this stuff? Like, I have 1 face. So, nevertheless, I loved my box this month. So, kudos to Macys Beauty Box. Super excited to try some of the new stuff out. And stay tuned for my Mindful Souls box. Like, I actually loved it. I didn't unbox the first box I got because I wanted to make sure I loved it before I showed it on camera. And like I said, like, I know this is a makeup channel, so, I was skeptical of filming it, but I got a lot of positive feedback that people like, Ayesha, I want to see your crystal collection. Ayesha, we want to see the box. So I'm like, all right, if you guys, I'm gonna give the people what they want. The people's gonna get what they want. With that being said, stay tuned for your girl's next video to see what I got in my Mindful Souls box. Love and miss you guys, and I'll see you guys all in my next video.